Here I have Samsung Galaxy S8 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me unlock the screen. Let's open the list of all applications, choose settings, let me scroll down and let's choose the general management, select language and input. Let's select language from the top of the screen, and as you can see now you are using an English from United Kingdom. If you would like to add some other language, let's choose add language, and here we've got full list of available languages that you can use on this device. So in my case, let me just say that I would like to change my language from English to Spanish. So let me tap on Espanol and let's choose the region and the type of the language. Let me choose España, for example. And you have to decide either you would like to set Espanol as a default language. Let me tap set as default right here, and that's it. As you can see, the whole list of settings and also applications goes into Spanish. So now if you would like to go back to previous version, just find and select Ajustes, scroll down and choose Administración General, tap Idioma y entrada de texto, tap Idioma one more time, and now let's just place the English into the first position, as simple as that. Tap Aplicar, and that's it. Now you are using the English version of the device. You can go back. You can also delete the Espanol if you would like to. Let's tap delete, choose Espanol and tap delete one more time and OK to confirm it. That's it. Now you are using only an English. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.